Your nail, mister.
Oh, we're trying to get it.
Yeah. 7 feet.
What are you measuring? To the cup?
7 feet.
Okay.
To the cup?
And you gotta
In
make it
the
go
cup.
in. And you can't hook it.
Can't hook it or
Can't
touch
hook
it?
it. Can't hook
You
the
roll
cup.
the ball on the measuring tape?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can't hook it.
Why don't you just stand behind me, Mom? You're going uphill.
Okay, we'll go this way then.
Put this in there.
Downhill?
Yeah, we'll go downhill. That way it's easy.
No, the other way was good. That way you control the tape.
No.
Yeah.
We'll try it both ways.
Okay, we'll try this way because I can do
This
that.
way, once it starts rolling, there's
Well, yeah, that's the whole point.
She said I can't do it that way.
Okay,
You're in the camera way.
I'll change it.
that's okay.
Well, nobody needs to see it.
Everybody knows the back of my head.
You better go down, otherwise it's going to start rolling too fast. You have to hold it lower. You have to hold it lower. How much time? Ah, you can't hold it. Rest it on the cup.
Okay. Who's next? Who's next?
That was an official try.
No.
It's gotta stay at
7 feet. And you can't hook it.
Gotta make the ball go.
Just tap it in, Happy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
One with the ball.
I almost got it. Who's next?
Don't know.
I'll try it.
Okay.
Don't break his
Right. Got to start it going slow, but the control at the end is the hard part.
Whoa.
You know, bud. Get it going slow. You wouldn't know, bud. Hey, don't be a herm.
Somebody has to.
Oh!
I'll do it.
Yeah.
You're up.
I don't know how to do this. It won't
You
work.
just watch two
Job,
people
Mom.
do it.
I know,
Job,
but
Mom.
still.
7
7 feet, way over there, Dan.
Send it.
All right, here we go.
Okay, you can't
Hey,
hook
you
it.
can't hold there.
I had
Oh my.
I had to.
Too long? There it goes, there it goes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
The last second.
See, I was trying to If I am. It would have gone there. Okay. Oh no, this is way too far.
It is far. It is hard.
Oh.
Almost.
Ronnie.
Go, Dad.
Ronnie.
Maybe I'll get it.
Okay. Yeah, maybe. Got to see everybody's.
Yes.
Strategies. Strategy wise, I have not to use.
No, you can't hook it. Don't hook it. Don't hook it. Whoa.
All right. Oh.
There we go. There you go. It's done. It's right there. It's done. The men are up 1-0.
What do you mean?
Hey, we're still teams.
Nuh-uh.
We're still a team.
Ronnie, do it for us.
Ronnie's got it.
Oh.
Ronnie.
Oh!
It's home. Wait a minute.
I broke it. Oh, dear.
You could do like Andy, use your other hand.
Right?
I need my other hand.
Hey!
Can't hook it.
Ah, that's cheating.
One hand.
No.
No, you can't do that.
Whoa.
Cheater.
Good job. Good job.
Second try.
I'm gonna get it You guys made that look too easy.
Concentration.
No wonder you guys had it at 6'11".
I didn't touch it. I didn't change nothing.
Didn't start it at 6 feet.
So
7.
I thought it was
Get going here. Way out.
You withdrew
All
too
right.
late.
I took it away too late. No, too early.
Took it out too late.
Okay, 7 feet.
Yep. Oh, they're playing over there too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they got the hammer. Maybe they got hammers that are the same weight.
Oh!
Dang
Again!
it.
What's it?
Swing it, Ronnie.
I must have missed my turn.
I thought I had that one.
Almost.
Look right on. Did look a whole lot closer than mine. You gotta turn your mouth a little more. Come on! You gotta grin more.
Wow.
Oh.
Go get it.
Yeah! So close, Mom!
That was a good one.
My wrist doesn't hold up.
Go get your brace! Okay.
My brace.
Hey, stick your tongue out the other way.
Whoa! Oh!
I
Close!
know.
That was close.
Ronnie,
Change jacket.
Had to get it there.
sorry.
Get out the way!
This will be a good Christmas game too.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's fun.
Let's try 8 feet.
Yeah, go back. Once we get it, you gotta go back.
Oh yeah, the ones who got it.
2 times
Yeah,
in a row.
next time, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Pretty close.
Oh,
Pretty close.
beginner's luck. Beginner's
Oh, no. Got it? Ready?
So eyes closed.
Eyes closed.
Oh, this is what her thing was. Things she can do with her eyes closed. I know. Oh, it's my turn, huh?
Come on, let's go further.
All right, let's see if I can see it again.
Did you get it? Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
got
she got
She
it.
did.
Second turn.
Did you?
8 feet then.
Did you get it?
This is the third time or last time.
Nope.
Well,
I
almost.
know, I can't
It
keep
went
up.
too
Hit the
far.
rim.
Try again.
Me?
Try again?
Okay.
Sure.
2 times? Okay. Oh, that's cheating. Forgot.
You're out.
Over on the other side. First it was on this side, now it's on the other side.
Have a plan. God, I know what I'm doing. Figured it out.
You guys cheat.
I didn't know it goes up.
It's all 6 and 7 eighths.
Yep. 15, 16.
15, 16.
Oh gosh.
Oh no.
31, 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Too far, bud.
Oh.
Oh.
Try again.
Yeah.
Let's do two in a row. You gotta catch the ball first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stare it down, Dad. Just stare it down.
So are you too good
Because you
for
gotta
your
watch
home?
the end. You gotta see where the end's at.
There you go.
Nope. Ah! There you go.
You said nope.
I did it. I did it. I did it. I had to do at least one.
I
Ready?
got it. I got
Line
it.
it up good. Okay.
Okay.
You can loosen your mouth.
Concentrating.
Don't look so
Let her
terrified.
go. Let her do
Hey,
it.
the ball's not even on
Let
there.
her- Let her go.
She looks so terrified.
Go get it.
Oh!
Side number 2.
All right.
Alright, let's see.
Ready? You got the hang of it. You're doing good, Mom. Okay, here we go.
Got it. Fish on.
Going.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
There it is. There it is.
Oh.
So close.
I got too high like that. Who's next?
You.
You.
You go until you
Ready?
get it.
Higher, higher, higher.
Oh. Get her out of there.
Come on.
There you
it is,
go.
there it is.
Missed it by that much.
She's gonna be all sore.
Oh.
Higher.
Just holding in the same place.
Not
there.
Like that.
Keep it right there.
Don't laugh. There we go.
Don't laugh. Don't have
Just
fun.
encourage everyone. Don't laugh, but laugh.
There it goes, there it goes.
Get out of there!
All right.
Who turned it
All right,
Squad
somebody else.
turn.
Well, you can go.
Jessica? Okay. She went like 7 times.
I barely.
Each time she barely missed it.
Come on, second Ronies.
Oh.
Okay.
Overshot it.
You gotta get closer.
It's on the 3-point range here.
Yeah, you gotta get that end of it a little bit closer.
Ooh.
One more time.
Gotta be
Then
at
I
23
fail.
degrees.
She's on. Yeah. Oh.
One more time. You almost got it that time.
Just like all the other times.
Yeah.
But that one was really
That
close.
one was almost.
So high.
At least I'm not like this.
Make it harder. You gotta use just one hand.
Yeah, I was doing one hand. You were using two.
I did
The
too
way
after
I
I.
do is do it from the sidewalk, make it bounce into the cup.
Well, that'd be
Oh,
hard.
That's easy.
That's next.
There it is.
Ooh.
Next.
Talking all this game over there.
One
hand. Yeah. Make sure it's 8. One more inch.
Whoa.
Whoa!
One and done.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
No.
Ronnie, come on.
She says no.
Yeah.
I go.
Did everyone make it yet?
No.
No.
It's okay. I'm
Don't let her
I'm
go
okay.
Ah. One more foot.
You wanna hold up?
Ah!
Maybe
I
half
get
it.
maybe 6 inches.
6 inches.
I don't know how to
probably hold
change
up.
it.
No
I don't know
hammer,
how
no
to
measuring
use
tape.
it.
Come on.
I don't do that stuff.
Hold it up.
Why
I go to go pick up that stuff, and he says, "What are you doing?" Takes it away.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's my trick.
That's cheating.
Oh, that's my trick.
Cheating. That's borderline cheating.
Yeah.
It's so alarming when it does that.
I know it's scary.
Almost.
If you squawk like that before it goes in.
Oh, oh. Go, Mom, go.
It's lost.
Is it lost?
That'd be another one.
We can't play until you find it, Mom.
Nah.
Did you find it?
Yeah, she found it.
Oh, she found it.
Do two of them, Jackie.
Two at one time. Next.
2 hands. These 2 measuring tapes.
Yeah.
No. Just no.
No? No chaser?
I mean,
Okay, we have our other game still. You'll be our last person, or whoever wants to go after him will be our last. Oh, I'm tired of that link.
you have to stand back further.
No. No.
Oh, I thought I had it.
Nah. Did not have. Anybody else? Last try?
No.
No? Okay.
No. I like trying. I like playing. It's
Okay.
all fun.
Last try then. Then we do the other game.
Which one's next?
We can do the cup game or we can try some Pictionary.
Ooh, Pictionary.
Want to do Pictionary?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah? Okay, we'll do Pictionary.
I want to see my mom draw.
I think you should make it 3 feet, but
We're the Millers. It's a skateboard.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks hard. Oh.
Wow.
4 feet.
That looks hard.
That looks hard.
We should have just done a progression.
Oh, next time we can try.
And whoever got it stayed in the game.
Oh, okay.
And then the one that didn't get it, goes.
Start at 6 inches. 1 foot.
Ooh.
Keep going up every time.
Keep going, and then if you're out, you're out.
Yep.
Okay, that'll be next time. That'll be next time.
Start on
No
maybe 2
practicing
feet.
on the off season.
Yeah, from now until Christmas.
Exactly. Now until the Christmas cup.
Okay, no more practice,
Your
Dad.
dad retired, so he got all the time in the world.
Yeah, no practicing, no practicing.
You know it.
He's gonna be closing the garage and sitting out the door, and he's
That's right.
sitting in there.
I'll be like one in the garage in the warehouse.
Yeah.
Gonna have his nails ready.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's sitting there practicing.
And
Bang,
go
bang.
buy some more hammers.